Today's video mula sa ating mobile device, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating phone. And dito naman, dial lang natin is *123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And dito naman guys, after nyan, piliin nyo lang dito yung number 5, which is yung giga/araw-araw. So type number 5, and then send. So dito naman is number 1, piliin nyo yung giga. So type number 1, and then send. So, ayan guys, dito, piliin naman natin yung number 7, which is yung game. So, type number 7, and then send. And lastly guys, dito, piliin na natin yung Giga Games 120. So, nasa number 2 siya, kaya ang itatype natin is number 2, and then send. So, ayan guys, sabi dito, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng Giga Games 120, makakuha tayo ng total of 13 gigabytes na data. So, 1 gigabytes games araw-araw para sa ML and more. So, total of 7 gigabytes na yun, guys. So, bukod sa araw-araw na 1 gigabytes, meron pa siyang additional na 6 gigabytes na data valid for 7 days. So, for only 120 pesos. So, para ma-register, guys, dial lang natin is number 1 to subscribe and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Giga Games 120 sa ating Smart and TNT